Dictation of Ajmer, official passage number 12, start. I am directed to say that a committee was appointed by the governor in 1967 to examine the question of promoting employment of ex-servicemen. Full stop. The committee submitted its report, which was discussed in the meeting of the West Pakistan Armed Services Board held on 19th August 1968. Full stop. The West Pakistan Armed Services Board decided to accept all the recommendations with certain modifications. Full stop. Government is taken steps to implement these recommendations. Full stop. The existing instructions issued by the government for the absorption of ex-servicemen are reiterated. Full stop. Instructions were issued in this department's letter dated 19th April 1960 that 50% posts in class 3 service should be reserved or ex-servicemen including ex-army personnel. Later on, further concessions were allowed to the effect that 50% posts in civil defense department should also be reserved for ex-servicemen, wide letter dated 11th July 1964. Full stop. These related to non-technical jobs. Full stop. So far as technical jobs were concerned, it was laid down that these are to be filled in from the general public only, if no qualified ex-service man becomes available. Full stop. Attention in this connection is invited to the instructions contained in this department's letter dated 3rd July 1965. Full stop. These instructions were applicable to government departments as well as semi-autonomous bodies. Full stop. This department letter dated 11th April 1967 also required periodical statements showing progress made in the recruitment of ex-servicemen, to be submitted to Director Labor Welfare, West Pakistan, Lahore. Full stop. So far as the fresh recommendations are concerned, the decisions now taken are detailed in the following paragraphs. Full stop. New para. It has been decided that the appointments made on or after 1st July 1968 in violation of the quota of ex-servicemen should be treated as irregular. Full stop. These incumbents should be replaced by the ex-servicemen as and when the irregularity is discovered, however late. Full stop. The appointments made to various services mentioned in para 2 may be calculated and the share of ex-servicemen worked out on the basis of the quota reserved for them. Full stop. Steps may also be taken to given priority to the recruitment of ex-servicemen, so as to complete their intake according to their fixed quota. Full stop. New para. The committee has proposed that future vacancies in class 4 posts should be filled in on the basis of 75% of posts for ex-servicemen until 50% of the strength is achieved, and thereafter 50% vacancies should be filled by ex-servicemen as per reservations made for them. Full stop. Government has considered the implications of the recommendations and is of the view that it is not advisable to achieve 50% of strength class 4 employees by exclusive intake of ex-servicemen. Full stop. It has therefore been decided that on the analogy of instructions contained in para 3, the appointments made after 1st July 1968, to class 4 posts may be calculated and the share of ex-servicemen worked on the basis of quota reserved for them. Full stop. Steps may then be taken to give priority to recruitment to ex-servicemen in further vacancies so as to complete their intake according to their quota. Full stop and close.